Missy Bauer with B&M Crop Consulting. We're here in the shop today to talk about our 10-point planter checklist. Today we're talking about number 5, row cleaners. Highly encourage everybody to run row cleaners on their corn planters. We've just seen a lot of good on them. What we're trying to do is just get a cleaner area ahead of this row unit itself. So whether I'm moving residue or trash out of the way, maybe in your area you're trying to move clods out of the way. We're here in the southern part of Michigan, we move a lot of rocks out of the way with these. But the overall goal is to try to make a better, more uniform environment for the planter unit to run through itself. So I really like to run row cleaners. Again, all tillage systems, whether you're no-till, conventional till, doesn't matter. We like to have the row cleaners on the planter. I'm a big fan of this type of style. So these happen to be a Martin row cleaner on here. I like a Yetter as well, but I do like to see these depth band wheels on here. I just feel like it helps basically these float along a little bit better, do a little more uniform job in the field. If possible, I like to run them interlock, so unless I'm in cover crops or something where I've really got to chop up things with a shark tooth type, I really like to run these spike ones just interlock, especially in conventional tillage. We can dig out, pluck out a little bit more buried residue that's there. Now this particular row cleaner has cab control on it, so this happens to be Clean Sweep from Precision Planting. I'm a huge fan of cab control row cleaners because it gives me the ability from the cab. I look back there and I'm like, oh, I should be cleaning a little bit better. I can add a little more pressure to these right from the cab. If they're maybe digging too much, now I can take some pressure off these. So cab adjust has been a big deal. Most guys that have switched that way realize now how often they should really be adjusting their row cleaners and just have not been doing that. So that's a critical part. Consider if you're going to add row cleaners to your planter, you haven't put them on, I would just start off automatically with the cab control row cleaners. We have a lot more information in our 10-point planter checklist on row cleaners and some of the things that we're looking for on those. So I highly encourage you to check out the link below. We have an entire video series about 3 hours long that goes through all the 10 points, but we want to give you a couple quick pointers here on point number 5, row cleaners.